Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, let's see how we can use the checkbox option in Easify Product Options app to just add some multiple selectable add-ons, maybe like some the accessories or some services like that into your Shopify product page. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, I am using Easify Custom Product Options app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. So go to Shopify App Store and check for Easify Custom Product Options. Then you can see the results like this. So on clicking this, you can land on the installation page as shown in the figure. So this may contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app, and also there shows some pricing plan also. So they provide some free plans, so I recommend you to explore first on their free plans, and if this find helpful you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And there are some genuine merchant reviews available here. You can just go through this, and everything is set. You can just click on install button. Make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. So once installed, you can see the app Easify options in the app section into your admin panel. So this app contains many sections like templates, option sets, orders, sales boosters, settings, plans, and integrations. So let's head on to the option sets first. Now these are the option sets which I have created earlier. So the created ones will be listing out here. For you to create a new one, you can just click on create option set. And there are two sections over here, the custom options and the product option. So first let's go to the add option, and you can just search the, or you can just either search for the checkbox, otherwise you can select the checkbox from here. There are multiple other disabled roles showing up here, but this we need access to the we don't have the access to this because we are not in a paid plan, so we have to upgrade to paid plan to use this. So let's click on checkbox, and again on clicking you can just see their basic settings page. So let's fill up the details first. So first one is the option name. I'm leaving it as checkbox itself, and the option label I'm just giving the add safety gears. And if it is a required field, you can just mark it as tick. Otherwise, you can untick this, so will not be a required field to have. So the users can all skip this part also. And first one you can just give the option as, let's see, I'm giving a risk guard option first with the price, and second one let's go with maybe knee pad, let's see. And we can add in another option also. Let's go with the safety guards, yeah. And if you want to make a default selection, you can select like this. And if it is not, if you want like to be this to be leave it as such, you can just untick this, so there will not be any default selection over here. And you can also limit the number of selections to minimum and maximum. So if you are setting a maximum value of 2, then user will not be able to tick all these 3. The error will be showing like this. So I'm not planning to have any minimum or maximum value selections. And the option value column, you can see the width showing like this. So if it is 4, you can see the preview looks not pretty good. So let's go with the 2, let's say. So this is okay for my store. So I'm just keeping this as 2. And column width also you can see like this. So you can choose whatever chooses into your online store. So I'm going with the 100 width percentage. And you can just mark help text and or info text. So let's help, just giving a help text as select any accessories you need, and this help text will be showing here. And the info Let's go with the prices will be calculated to total. Let's go with that. Yeah. And you can also make the swatch shape like this. So I'm keeping or I'm moving with the default one. And if you want to show this option in all the product page, you can just mark this as select all products. And if you want to show up this option set only with some particular product, you can just manually select the products like this. I'm not planning to have a manually selection one. I'm just keeping this up for all the products. Another option is like if you want to show up this with any selected products, and also it need to be in a condition state. Like there are multiple conditions over here. So you can choose any, and what happens then is like the option, this add safety gear option will be shown only when this particular condition is met. So the product page will be showing only when this particular condition is met. So I'm not planning to have this. So let's go with all the products. And there is some more settings also. These are mainly based on customer restrictions. So I'm planning to give all the customers, and the other ones are disabled because we are not in a paid plan. So we have to be in a paid plan to use this. And also there is some advanced settings here. This one also to be in a paid plan to access. So the setup is simple and we have done, and you can just save this. Now let's test this up in our online store how this looks like. So I'm just opening my online store, and I'm adding yeah, you can see the product page of this particular one or product shows this checkbox options, and the help text or the info, everything is showing like this. Prices will be calculated to total, and our help text also showing like this here. Select any accessories you need. So that's how you can create a checkbox option in product page using Easify Product Options app. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online stores today itself. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.